The starting point for Imaginary Friends for me was the curators asked for the potential rugs, and these are the potential of women were based on a graphic design cover from 1970, and it was about the idea of potential. So for me, potential and imagination go hand in hand. So I thought it was a good choice in the work, but I wanted to open the work up, the installation up, and they offered to include Miró in my room, which was really special. So the other thing that I wanted with this work is to be more participatory. Is that the word? So that you could use it. And so I wanted the audience, I like their imagination, to bring them into the room and to include their imaginary friends in the room. So the new and kind of exciting thing for me is the table that I drew up and the museum had fabricated with one of the graphic design women on it. And we have pencils and paper, and everybody can draw and include their work on the wall. And so I brought from America some Crayola crayons and also some circle plates, because when I grew up, we were given plates to draw on and make faces, and I love this idea of including my face with their faces.